So exciting developments for the Fordson wreck. I've been able to source some free second-hand tyres. Good amount of tread still on for what this thing's going to do. New tubes, mounted them on last night, and time to see it drive under its own power for the first time in however many years. I'll put up a little snippet of what it looked like when I first got it to what it is now, and cold start on the battery, so hopefully we can get it going, and has been sitting for a little bit, so hopefully everything's smooth running and we get it to go under its own speed, and hopefully I'm very happy very shortly. Alright, let's see what we can do. There you go. What came to me as an absolute wreck. Seized gears, seized engine, missing fuel tank, steering assembly, something that's driving under its own steam. First gear was a little rough, but once I got it in and out a few times it was fine. I think that's just because it's been sitting outside for a bit in winter. New head gasket to go on it. New air hose, I think is going to fix a lot of problems. Replace a few of the seals around the intake and exhaust and the injector seals, but I can do that all in the shed now because I can drive it in the shed. Alright, I might put a video up of it running, doing a bit of a drive under load, but thank you for coming along the journey. Smoke, we'll clean the injectors at some point, but she drives. See, it goes under load up the hill.